In today's video, I'm going on to teach you how to use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to build a captivating landing page on Wix. Let's dive in and transform your website into a high converting marketing tool. The first thing you need to do is head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the edit site button. Go ahead and click on it, which will open the Wix editor or Wix Studio depending on your site setup. Once you have the editor open, direct your attention to the left toolbar and find the pages section. This is your starting point for managing all the pages on your site. Now it's time to add a new page. Look for the plus add page button and select it. You'll want to choose a landing page option. Here, it's often beneficial to start with a blank page to avoid any clutter that might distract your visitors. Consider renaming this page to something simple and clear, such as landing page or promo page. The next step is to ensure your landing page is distraction-free. Do this by selecting both the header and footer and navigate to the settings where you can hide these elements from the page. This way, your visitors stay focused on the content of your landing page. With your clean slate ready, it is time to add a strong hero section, the first thing your visitors will see. To do this, go to Add and then Section and choose to insert a blank strip. Within this section, add an H1 headline that clearly communicates a promise or offer. Follow this with a sub-headline that explains the key benefit. Lastly, include a call to action button that encourages visitors to take the next step, whether that's signing up, getting started, or booking a call. The background of this section is crucial, so select an image, gradient, or video that aligns with your brand identity. Now it's time to expand the structure of your landing page with a simple yet high-converting format. Start with your hero section comprising a headline, sub-headline, and CTA button. Next, move on to a benefits section where you can highlight 3 to 4 key benefits paired with icons or images. A social proof section comes next, offering testimonials, reviews, or client logos to build credibility. After that, detail your offer, whether it's a course, ebook, or service. And finally, repeat your call to action to drive home your message with another button or sign up form. Consider adding forms for email captures. And if you're aiming for sales or bookings, connect your button to relevant sections like Wix stores or Wix bookings. Before you finish, remember to optimize your site for mobile viewing. Switch to mobile view and adjust your font sizes, button placements, and spacing. Test out the scrolling to ensure everything looks and feels smooth and easy to navigate. The last step is to publish your work. Hit the publish button, then go into your page settings to set a custom URL for your landing page. If you're running ads, use this direct link to draw traffic directly to your landing page. Once you've done all that, click done and you're all set. And that's how you create an effective landing page on Wix. Thanks for watching and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.